A checking account is the primary tool for managing your daily cash flow and paying for expenses. The most important feature of this account is liquidity, meaning your money is ready to be used at a moment's notice. Unlike a savings account, checking accounts typically pay very little interest because the money is constantly moving in and out. These accounts offer multiple ways to access your funds, including debit cards, online transfers, and direct deposits from your employer. While checking is for your daily transactions, a savings account is meant for holding money you don't plan to spend immediately. Think of your checking account as the central hub where your income arrives and then flows out to pay your monthly obligations. A common strategy is to treat your checking account like a transit station rather than a permanent home for your savings. Understanding how your checking account works is the first step toward better money management. Thanks for watching and stay informed.